Greens family, this is Bomani Tayamba and we're in Ghana. We're live on Revolutionary Camp and we're here at Bonwire Kente Weaving Center and we're in Kumasi, Ghana. And family, once again we're telling you there's no Ebola in Ghana, there's no Ebola in West Africa. It's all hoax, it's all madness. So I'm here in the village and I'm hoping someone is going to give me Ebola. So let's go around here and let's see what the people have to say. Greetings my sister, how are you? Can you tell our people in America that there's no Ebola in Ghana?
Okay.
They need to know, let them know.
Yeah.
Is there Ebola in Ghana?
Give him my money to chop. Huh?
Alright fam, let's go find some more folks here.
In the room. You don't know
yes my brother, how's it going? Come here. I want you to share with the people from the States, is there Ebola in Ghana?
No Ebola in Ghana.
Have you known anybody to ever get Ebola?
No.
It's incredible because it's like I've been going around talking to everybody from all the different regions and nobody is saying that there's any kind of Ebola going on. So why won't people come to Africa if there's no Ebola? Are they scared? Do you know on the news in America they talk about this Ebola outbreak in West Africa?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's sad, it's sad. Let me call my brother over here. So, yes, my brother. Let the folks know your name.
I'm Gideon.
All right, where's your brother at? Where's your brother? You look like you got Ebola. Do you have Ebola?
No, there's no Ebola in Ghana.
Hey, see?
Yeah, it has come to the website on Google. If you Google, you see that there's Ebola in Ghana, Africa, West Africa, wherever that you go is Ebola. But it's not true. There's a lot of people who have framed that.
I like that. You're right, though.
There's a lot of people who have framed that there's Ebola in Africa. It's not true. People are believing that when you come to Africa, you get Ebola. But all those things going on, it's not true. I'm here to prove to everybody there's no Ebola in Ghana.
Thank you, my brother. We need you to tell
Ebola
people
in Ghana.
And
even in Africa, there's some countries that you go there's Ebola, but even the Ebola is in some sub-regions, in some part of the countries that they have Ebola in. Even that country, if you go there, it's not all the part of the country that you see there.
So basically, Ebola. There's no outbreak. If Ebola was real, those countries that was said to have it would be an outbreak. Everybody would be dead in those countries. As a matter of fact, we'll be dead in Atlanta where I live at because that's where all the diseases get experimented on. So I want to let our people understand that don't let the white devil and don't let the devil media and all the devil energy fool you from reconnecting to your roots. Enjoying Africa. Come into this wonderful place that my brother, has been inviting us to for years and enjoy some of the great crafts.
And even people have been written that when you go to the state that there's Ebola, you see people will be dying on the roadside with Ebola, but that all those is not true. There's no Ebola. There's no Ebola in Ghana. And even Africa, West Africa here, that is the same. Whatever country that you go, you find Ebola, people are dying on the roadside. All those things are not true. All of them are not true.
And my thing is, if it's true, well, let's see some footage. Let's take us to those countries. But you know what? They'll stay in their office on camera and talk nonsense and spread it. But none of these media sources will ever come to the country and talk to different people. So people stop the nonsense. You want to find out what's going on in Africa? Be respectful and come find out what's going on for yourself and stop spreading rumors and stop causing problem and division between our people. All right, family, we're gonna. Oh, let's go talk to this gentleman here. Let's talk to this gentleman here. Hello, how you doing?
Hello. Good morning.
I don't think you haven't gotten Ebola yet, right?
Sorry, I'm French.
Yeah, you're French. Oh, somebody, can you translate French? You translate? Now, you're from France?
Yes.
So we want to find out, since he's been traveling to Ghana, if you've been able to find people that has Ebola.
C'est lorsque vous êtes venu ici, puisque vous êtes venu ici, si vous avez trouvé quelqu'un qui a Ebola, il est en train de demander s'il y a quelqu'un qui a...
No. So do you think it's real?
C'est vrai, il dit que c'est vrai qu'il y a Ebola au Ghana ou bien il n'y a pas.
No, ce n'est pas vrai. It's not true.
It's not true.
No Ebola here.
It's not true, family. It's not true.
No Ebola here. We are not afraid and everything is done to avoid Ebola in Ghana.
Exactly. And you've been having a great time, right? A lot of people didn't come because they thought they was going to get Ebola and die.
Il y a beaucoup de gens qui pensent que s'ils sont venus ici, ils vont trouver Ebola ici, mais ce n'est pas vrai. Au Ghana, il n'y a plus.
I understand because our friends did not come here because they were afraid.
In France,
But we were not afraid. We are not afraid, and we have no
Wow.
problem here.
See, this thing is really hurting a lot of people because my tour guide, he does groups all over the world, and a lot of the groups have canceled.
De tout le monde, dans le monde, ils sont en train de peur de ça.
C'est vrai.
Mais vous êtes curieux de venir.
Oui. Et
Oui. They said in France, they are afraid. The people are afraid to come to Ghana because of Ebola, but they are not afraid to come.
So maybe when we show them this video, they'll see that there's no Ebola and they'll come.
Yes, they are coming. They didn't have Ebola centers here, so they are not afraid.
Excellent. All right, family. Once again, we're live on Revolutionary Camp. This is Bomani Tayimba, and there's no Ebola in Ghana, and the whole West Africa, there's no Ebola outbreak, because if it was, all of us would be dead right now.